this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your laptop only working when it's plugged in on your Windows 11 computer. So if every time you unplug your laptop from the charger, it automatically shuts down, or your computer won't start without the charger being plugged in, then I'm going to show you a few ways you can fix this issue. Now, the first solution is just to head over to your Start menu and search for Device Manager, and then click on the Device Manager window. Now, from here, you should see an option in this window called Batteries, and you just need to go and expand this. Now, if you don't see the batteries, you can click on View and select Show Hidden Devices. Now, once you've found your batteries, you need to right-click on any of the devices listed underneath the batteries. So I have 2 here, but you may have more than this, and all we're going to do is right-click on the first one, click on Update Driver, and then press Search Automatically for Drivers. Then we're going to close out of this window and do the same for the second one as well, just by right-clicking, click on Update Driver, and press Search Automatically for Drivers. Now, once you've done that, we're just going to come back over to the top one and right-click again, click on Update Driver, and this time press Browse My Computer for Drivers, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then just go and select this top one here and press Next. And once you've done that, you can close out of this window, and we're going to do the same for the second one as well, just by right-clicking, click on Update Driver, Browse My Computer, let me pick from a list of available, and then go and select this one and press Next. Now, once you've done that, we're just going to right-click again on the top one and select Disable Device and press Yes. Once you've disabled this, we can right-click on it again and select Enable Device. And then we're going to do the same for this bottom one as well, just by right-clicking, select Disable, click on Yes, and then right-click again and select Enable. Now, once you've done this, you can close out of this window, try restarting your computer, and you can check to see if your laptop's now working without the charger. If that's still not working, head over to the Start menu and search for Control Panel and click on the Control Panel window. Make sure View By is set to large icons in the top right-hand side and select Power Options. Now, from here, whatever power plan you have selected, we need to click on Change Plan Settings. So I have the high performance one selected, so I'm going to click on Change Plan Settings next to that. And then all we need to do here is click on Restore Default Settings for this plan, and then just go and press Yes. Then we're going to head back over to the Start menu, search for CMD, and then right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. In this window, type in power CFG / restore default schemes, and then press enter. Then we can close out of this window, and once again you can check to see if that solved your issue. Now, if it's still not working, there could be an issue with the actual battery itself. So in order to check this, we need to head back over to the Start menu, search for CMD, and then right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. From here, type in power CFG / battery report and hit enter. Now, this is going to save a battery report to your computer, and you can see where this is saved by this file destination here. So I'm just going to head over to this on my computer by coming over to the C drive, and then we're going to scroll all the way down and select Windows, scroll all the way down again until you see System 32 and click this, and then we're just looking for the battery report. So you can see the battery reports here. We're just going to double click on this, and from this window, this is basically going to tell you if you need a new battery. So if you scroll down next to installed batteries, you're going to see this design capacity. Now, this is what your battery should hold in charge when it's brand new. So for my battery, that's going to be 76,000, and this full charge capacity is what it's currently at now. So if this number here is around 60% of the original number, then it's probably time that you need a new battery. So for me, you can see I'm kind of on the verge of needing a new battery. And if this is the case with your laptop, that will be the reason why every time you unplug your charger, it's instantly turning off. So you can see down here that my capacity is at 57%. So really in this scenario, we should be looking at replacing the battery on our laptops. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.